All right, so what I'm going to show you is a real quick, shut the door, a real quick and easy way to make a router table out of your DeWalt table saw. Now what I'm going to do is take this table saw right here. I've cut this, I had this like piece of IKEA laminate 1/2-inch trim board piece laying around, and I cut it to fit on top of my table saw here. And this is a battery powered DeWalt table saw, as you can see here. And what I'm doing is I just extend out the arm or the slide, like I'm gonna put a piece of, I'm gonna run something big through, so it's kind of hanging out like, you know, like so. And then I'll cut my board, and I'll show you how I make this thing, so check it out. Router table, done. Alright, now that is how you make a down and dirty portable router table. Take it anywhere. This is a battery saw. This is not a battery router. So who cares? It's still portable and I like it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Check me out.